All right, in this next video, we are looking at slope. Again, this is definitely something you guys have seen before. Just if you need a reminder, slope, a lot of times we look at using the variable m. All right, it's the variable m when we're writing equations of lines. And slope is really just going to be our change in y over our change in x values when we're talking about two different points on the line. All right, and you might remember that means, okay, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you mix this up and you accidentally do y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that we stay consistent. So when we're finding the differences, right, when I'm finding the change in y, which is the same thing as the difference in y values, and I'm subtracting, just make sure if you start with a specific point to find the change in y, then you also need to start with that point when you're finding the change in x. All right, so here we're going to find the slope of the line through negative 6 comma 4 and 8 negative 3. So I'll start just by finding the change in y, right? The rise over run, maybe you know it as rise over run. Change in y over change in x. So I'll do negative 3 minus 4. Okay, negative 3 minus 4. And because I started with that negative 3 value, I need to start with 8 in the denominator. So 8 minus a negative 6, that's just plus 6. I get negative 7 over 14. Obviously, I can simplify that to negative 1/2. So negative 1/2, that is going to be my slope of the line that passes through those 2 points.